Welcome to 167 Hillmount Avenue. Today I'm taking you on a very special, exciting, exclusive property tour. And what better place to start than where all of the magic happens, right here in this gorgeous kitchen. We have brand new quartz countertops, brand new cabinets, brand new stainless steel appliances. How many more times can I say new? There's nothing that's been untouched here from top to bottom. This space is amazing. Now, of course, we're in the living room, and what an ideal space for entertaining. And you can see just absolutely how massive this space is. Also, open concept, of course, into the dining room. This incredible layout offers a 3-bedroom home. So let's check out some of the bedrooms. Bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, that faces this backyard, which is literally the size of a football field. Of course, the primary bedroom, gorgeous light as well. You have his and her closets. Here you have your magnificent 5-piece ensuite. Now follow me into the basement, which I believe is one of the best kept secrets about this house. The most fantastic space, the rec room. Look how big this is. You could do a number of things down here. Here we have our nanny suite. You can see it's bright, it's warm, it's cozy, it's massive. And of course you have another 4-piece ensuite, absolutely gorgeous. Here we have another storage room. You can see all of the ample space you have, plus a brand new cedar closet. We have, again, brand new washer, dryer. This laundry room is anyone's dream. But a few more things before we go that I want to talk to you guys about, because I know you want to know about the real meat and potatoes about this house. So what are we really talking about? We're talking about a lot that's 45 by 140 deep. It's humongous. You know what else we're talking about? We're talking about a 30-second walk to the subway station. And on top of it, I want to just bring to your attention a few things that have been done in this house, though everything has been done in this house. We got new furnace, new AC, new eaves troughs, new walkway, new driveway, new stainless steel appliances, new light fixtures, new 100-amp service, new everything. And you know where you can find that list? You can find it attached in my listing, and you should call me for any more details or questions you have about this house. Thanks for joining me today.